So, the Nissan anti-theft system. You know the moment. You're running late, fumble your keys, and the car refuses to start. The little red blinking light is mocking you, and suddenly it feels like your own car just locked you out of your life. If you Google this problem, you'll see it has one job: keep thieves out. But man, it's such a universal pain when it keeps you out instead. Statistically, over 60% of Nissan owners have reported at least one anti-theft false alarm or lockout. That's not thieves, that's us. The Nissan anti-theft system has a sensor in the ignition, and sometimes the system thinks you're the thief. Pro tip: any interruption, like changing your key fob battery, jumping the car, or even just moisture, can confuse the system. So you need a reset. The simplest version: get in the car, close all doors, and insert your key into the ignition. Turn it to on, but don't start. See the red light? Wait until it stops blinking, sometimes up to 5 minutes. Yes, 5. Important detail: don't touch anything. No pedals, buttons, nada. It's like convincing the car you're a regular and not auditioning for Grand Theft Auto. When the red light goes off, that's your signal the system is rebooted. If you're driving a Nissan with a push-button start, it's a little trickier. Foot off the brake, hit the button twice to turn on accessory mode. Again, don't actually start the engine. Wait for the anti-theft light to stop flashing. I know patience is in short supply. People think this won't work, but it fixes the issue about 80% of the time for Nissans built after 2006. It's just that most people either get annoyed or give up too early. If this doesn't work and you're still stuck, here's a deeper fix. Lock all doors using the remote, walk away for 5 minutes, then unlock and try again. The electronics have time to fully cycle. It's silly, I know, but it often does the trick. A really sneaky pain. Weak key fob batteries mess with the immobilizer chip communication. Even if the buttons work, the signal might be too weak. Always keep a spare CR2032 battery in your glove box. They cost less than coffee and save an hour of hassle. Worst case, your system's reset fails and the car won't recognize the key at all. That's when you're stuck in the dealer lottery. It's typically $150 to $400 for a full scan and reprogram, so you want to rule everything else out first. Here's something I wish Nissan told everyone. Sometimes aftermarket alarms or remote starts can mess up the anti-theft reset. If you had one installed, disconnect the battery for 15 minutes, reconnect, and repeat the reset steps above. The real kicker? Once you know these steps, you'll save yourself a bunch of money and possibly a tow. I've walked through this scenario with at least 4 friends in the past year, and in every case but one, we got the car running using these resets. And if you do end up at the dealership, at least you'll know you tried every trick in the book. Cars are supposed to make life easier, but sometimes knowing one reset sequence is the difference between being late and being stranded.